Marge Pineda, and I'm going to show you what we got from Europe. So, little story. So, we went to Europe last October 7 and nagstay kami in Europe for 21 days. So, we went to Paris and we went to Switzerland and then Italy. And then, dapat pupunta kami ng Amsterdam, ng Belgium, and then ng Netherlands. Hindi na kami nakapunta kasi pagod na kami. After Italy, we went back to France. So, I'm going to show you all the things that we got from Europe. Yeah, and another story is, hindi naman kami namili ng too much. Kasama ko kasi yung dalawang kids. Before kami nag-travel, it's our first time to travel na kami lang. Which is a little bit hassle din. But everything is well, everything is okay. Sobrang naging saya ng trip namin. Now, let me show you all the things that we got. First, I'm going to show you yung mga nabili ko sa Monoprix. Monoprix is like their grocery nila. So, ito yung nabili ko. I got this Real Technique brush. Real Techniques brow shaping set. This one. Ito yung mga nabili ko for myself. And then next, we went to Sephora. Actually, super dami ng tao sa Sephora. May dala akong stroller and I have a twin stroller. So, pinush ko talaga yung stroller para makapasok sa Sephora. And here's what I got from Sephora. I got this starred eyelashes. Goddess eyelashes. Ooh. And then next, nagamit ko na kasi siya. I got this Makeup Forever sponge. I want something colorful for my eyes. So, I got this Anastasia. Can you see it? So, this is a eyeshadow palette, which is more of a glittery siya. Sinabi ko na gusto ko mas colorful, but I ended up buying something neutral pa rin, but then mag-glitter siya. For my skin tone, neutral color is the best color for me. Ang saya. Let's move on. I got this Rare Beauty blush. Grabe, guys. This Rare Beauty blush is really nice kasi pag na-dot mo siya, parang e-size lang, dalawa na sila. So, sobrang worth it niya kahit feeling mo maliit yung bottle. Last that I got from Sephora, brush for the eyes. This one, I have 4 brushes. This one is for the crease. Oh, this is the smudge brush. Eyeshadow brush. It comes with a pouch. Next, for the hair, I got this Color Wow Dream Coat Anti-Humid product. Alam na dito sa Philippines, when you curl your hair, after a while, you don't use any hairspray. Bagsak na yung hair mo. Got this one. When you use this, you need heat para mag-activate siya. Tumatagal siya ng 3 to 4 times ka mag-shampoo. After 3 to 4 times, you can reuse it again. So you don't use this every day. Let's move on to the perfume. I think you know this perfume. In the haul, I showed this to you, but then naubos na sila, and I wanted to show it to you again. So first, I got this YSL Libre perfume. It's one of my favorite perfume. I just got the small one. Why I got small bottles? Para mas marami pa akong mabiling perfume, you know, to explain. This one is first perfume that I got. Next one is my Hermes Twilly. Got again the Hermes Twilly. Naging signature scent ko na sila. I got this Penhaligon's the favorite perfume. Ang nakikita kong famous na scent is the Penhaligon's Luna, but the Luna hindi siya ganun kabagay sa akin. When I buy perfume, hindi ko siya binibili. Manny is using this kind of perfume. I don't buy perfume that way. I try to spray it on my body, and then few hours, kung hindi talaga kakayanin, few hours, papatagalin ko muna siya. And then kapag naamoy ko mabango siya sa akin, I'm going back to the store to purchase the perfume. So I don't buy na nakita ko lang siya na, ay, mabango daw to. Mas maganda na talaga na na-experience mo yung perfume. Kasi mahal din ang mga perfume. So this, out of all the perfumes that they have, this is my favorite. So sobrang bango niya. This is my new favorite, guys. So I was eyeing on buying like my usual perfume, like replica. Yeah, that's why I got the Twilly, you know, just to try new perfume. And this one, sobrang bango niya. So last perfume is the Artisan Perfumer. This is exclusively in Paris. So we got this one. The scent is exotic. It's spiced perfume. So actually share kami dito ni Pao. Ang bango niya. This is blended with sandalwood, spices, and rice notes. Pag na-spray mo siya nung una, mabango na siya. But then, it blends with your skin. Once you sprayed it on you, mag-iiba yung scent niya na parang depende siguro sa body mo, which is nice. So, these are all the perfumes that I got. Okay, so I was eyeing on my son Francis John's perfume, but not the Baccarat Rouge. Hindi siya for me. So, may mas gusto kong perfume doon like the rose perfume or the aqua. So, next, let's move on to the shoes. I got one shoes. Actually, Paolo got this for me. It's the New Balance running shoes. It's the New Balance 530. So, I got it in silver. He got this for me. He surprised me. Actually, the whole trip, I was just using one shoes. Parang okay naman eh. I'm actually using a New Balance shoes too. But then this one, I really wanted this pair of shoes and then he got it for me. So, yay! Thank you, thank you. This is one of the things gustong-gusto ko from last year pa. As in talaga nung nakita ko siya in LV Philippines. I really wanted it. Dati yung price niya sa Philippines is like 40,000 pesos. So, sabi sa akin ni Pao, naku, huwag mo naman bilhin yan kasi mag-Europe naman tayo. And then, so we went to Japan and I wasn't able to check kung magkano ba siya. And then, we went to Hong Kong. Tapos, yung price sa Hong Kong is 45,000 pesos na. And then, we went back to the Philippines and then there was like a price increase. Nasa around 55,000 to 60,000 na yung shades. Grabe naman ang mahal. Paolo and I went to LV in Florence. Wala sa display yung shades na to. But I was really eyeing this, so I saved this photo of the LV shades and then nakita ko siya. Ayan. Diba? Ang ganda-ganda niya. What I like about this shades is that sa harap, sobrang ganda sa mukha. At the same time, pag nag-side ka, meron siyang logo ng LV sa side. So comfortable. It's not heavy. The price, better than the last price before. Basta mas okay siya. Ta-da! So I got this in Champs LSE. So I got a Jacquemus bag. So I don't know if this has a box kasi si Paolo yung nagbayad. So this is a Jacquemus bag and I'm going to open it with you guys. Tanggalin na natin. Just for the experience. So, Jacquemus is also leather bags din siya. Yeah. It's a leather bag. What I got is this one, guys. Are you guys excited to see the bag? I'm also excited. Ta-da! You see it? You see it? This is Paolo's Christmas gift. Early Christmas gift for me. I got this color. And the color is so nice kasi timeless yung color niya. You can use it for summer, you can use it for winter, diba? The other Jacquemus wala silang ganito. It's just regular na parang pag ganito lang siya. So this one meron konting arte. The last that I got is this Celine, not a bag, but it's a wallet. I got this Celine wallet. Grabe yung ganda niya. So, open siya and then you can put coins and it's a card holder. So this is my new wallet. That's everything that I got from Europe. Dad, pakita na rin natin lahat ng mga binili ni Pao. Let me show you what Paolo got from Europe. Yeah, papakita niya na. Come here, join me. Now, para, let's say, complete na yung haul namin. Paolo is with me now. And I'm going to show you what he got. First, let's start with the perfume. This is Stronger With You. So guys, if you like this perfume, it's nice. But then, kahit din sa kanya, when he buys perfume, nag-uusapan namin, when you get the perfume, try it first on your skin. And then, after some time, pag mabango talaga siya, balikan mo na lang siya. Diba, Dad? Mas okay siya. It's from Armani. We also got a Burberry Hero. Ang laki na itong pabango na to. Ayan.
Sulit din.
Yeah, and ang bango niya, it's 150 ml. It's Burberry Hero. Merong mas stronger yung scent, pero parang hindi bagay sa kanya. So, parang mas bagay, mas bango sa ito, ano?
Halos same lang, mas matapang lang yun.
Oh yeah, so he likes this one better.
Ito naman, ano rin, exclusive from Paris.
Oh,
Mancera.
Paris na?
Paris din yun eh. Yung brand niya.
Oh yeah, so this one is also an exclusive scent from Paris. So, he got this from Paris. It's parang, ang gusto kasi niya yung something na different yung scent. So, ako na nag-unbox.
Pagka-Arab scent.
Yeah, it's more on like, on the Arabic side. So, this one, Mancera Paris, it's, look at the bottle, di ba? Golden gold. Oh, yeah. Mabango siya. Sweet yung...
Sweet na may pagka... Oh, sweet.
Sweet yung scent niya. So, this is the perfume that he got. Let's move on to the shoes. Actually, meron siyang nabili mga shirts, pero nilagay na namin siya sa wardrobe. So, he got these shoes from Gucci. These shoes, hindi na namin dinala yung box. And,
Masyadong malaki.
yeah, masyadong malaki. And, kung nakita kong suot niya, ang ganda pala ng fit. Which, ayan, meron siyang nakasulat na Gucci. And at the other side, may 25. Hindi yung, ano ba yun, Dad? Yung may Gucci.
Snake.
Yeah, yung may snake. So, parang,
double G.
yeah, yung may double G. So, parang mas gusto namin
Mas
yung
simple.
likes it better. That's why we got this Gucci. Tumatangkad ka ba? Mahaba.
Mas nakakatangkad pa siya
Yeah,
lang.
mas nakakatangkad.
Siguro, pag suot ko yan, 6'2" na height ko.
Ah, okay. So, ayan, we got this shoes. It's so nice. Mabigat siya. Mabigat niya. Okay, next from LV. This one, shoes muna. Okay, so we got this Louis Vuitton shoes. It's
Mahilig kasi ako sa shoes.
yes, he loves shoes. Okay, next time maybe we can show all of his shoe collections. So this is the shoes that he got. It's a leather shoes. Ayan siya.
Black and white.
Black and white. Medyo hindi naman kita yung LV. He loves shoes, that's why. We also got this from Florence together.
Florence
Yeah,
pala.
Florence. Together with my shades. Then he got this one.
Sulit
See,
yan kasi, ano siya eh, pure leather.
yeah, it's pure leather.
Hindi basta-basta manunuwa.
It's not pure leather, but the outer part is
Outer.
leather. He also got a sunglasses.
Sunglasses. Parehas
Here.
tayo.
Sunglasses from LV.
Mas marami yata ako nabili kaysa sa'yo eh.
Yeah. Okay lang.
Ay, hindi, parehas lang naman. Isa yung kasi, ano eh. Yung sa akin more on shoes eh.
No, mas marami ka pa rin nabili kasi yung mga t-shirt mo, ganyan, sobrang dami. Para sa sarili. But it's okay. I also got makeup for myself and I'm happy. The whole trip was very okay. And then this one, got these shades. So nice. Actually, may ganito na siya.
Mas maliit lang. Kunin ko.
Yeah, may ganito na siya. Pero
Sa Paris
this
ko rin
one,
nabili.
yeah, he got that from Paris. But this one is,
Ito yung mas smaller version.
he got this, diba?
Parehas lang. Pero mas sa Paris ko rin nabili yan eh.
Yeah, so this one is smaller version and now he has a bigger one.
Pero same na same lang. Yung
Show it to
size
them.
lang.
I'm going to wear the small one. That's the, ayan yung shades niya. Ayan, diba? Last is, we went to Hermes. Ito na yung mga last minute namin nabili kasi sa airport na namin siya nabili, which is tax-free na. So I'm going to unbox it for him. So this is the sandals. Actually, dapat nagpunta kami sa store para bumili ako ng oran. Wala ang size ko. Going to buy the gold one and the white one. Hindi ako nakabili. Kaya ngayon, si Pawang bumili para sa kanya. So he got these sandals. Sabi ko kasi sa kanya, puro siya sapatos. Like, super dami niya ng sapatos. Pero wala siyang mga sandals, Hermes. So why not buy a sandals from Hermes too? So this one, yung size niya dito, parang +3. Nukat muna namin. Yeah, pero hindi ako nakabili. Kasi wala nga yung size ko. Ayan na lahat ng mga napamili. I hope you guys nagsistretch siya. That's all for this vlog. Ayan, tuloy ko naka-Paris pa rin siya na shirt. Ayan, isa pa rin yan sa mga napamili niya. Pero dami niya nabili. Dapat siya nga nagpo-vlog kasi mas marami siya napamili kaysa sa akin. If you like more vlogs like this, please do like, comment, and subscribe. And see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Say bye, Dad. Bye.
Bye.